politics of BJP, particularly the RSS and their organizations, has exceeded the limit in Manipur, and it is 22 months, after 22 months, BJP has acted on it, and when the time when Congress party and the other opposition parties were moving for a no confidence motion, before that hurriedly they had made this decision from the BJP, but at last the man who led the hate has gone, but Mr. Amit Shah and Modi can't run away from the responsibilities. Mr. Amit Shah and Modi, as Home Minister and Prime Minister, had protected Biren Singh for 22 months, and they are responsible for whatever it is there. And our Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, have time to go to US, France, and all other countries across the world, but don't have time to go to Manipur after 2022 elections. Therefore, hope that after his return from US and France, Prime Minister have time to visit Manipur.